This video reviews the StairMaster 8G Belt Keeper Kit installation. What and when to use. The Belt Keeper Kit prevents the drive belt from coming off the alternator or transmission pulley. This kit works on units with an engine containing a two-piece transmission pulley or later. Step 1. Remove the rivets securing the left side shroud to the frame, then remove the shroud. Tech tip. Use a 4mm socket to push down on the middle of the rivet until it clicks, then pull upwards on the rivet to remove it. Step 2. Slide the one-piece belt keeper onto the nut on the alternator pulley shaft, then use a 4mm Allen socket coupled with a torque wrench to secure it in place. Torque to 3.6 Newton meters. Step 3. Separate the two-piece belt keeper in half. Then, with the smooth face inward toward the brake, secure both halves around the transmission pulley. Note: ensure that the cutouts on the inner part of the keeper are aligned with the set screws of the transmission pulley. Step 4. Once the keepers are installed, test the machine for functionality and then replace the side shroud. Additional resources. Service content is available on our support website and Core Connect.